Everyone. Thanks for joining us today. We are doing our weekly Facebook Live, and we meet here every Wednesday, 10 a.m. to talk about either projects coming up or classes coming up. And today I have two things to talk about. First is the quilt behind me. This is a project that's been on my bucket list for a long, long time, and it is the Mod Strawberry pattern by So Kind of Wonderful. See that, Mod Strawberry? And it uses the quick curve ruler, but the mini ruler. So I love it. It turned out so much better than I was hoping for. It's really my first time doing, curves in a quilt. And it's so the ruler makes it easy, and if you have questions, we can answer the ruler. If you're interested in the ruler or the pattern, please just let us know and we can get that out to you as soon as possible. In addition to the mini ruler, the quick curve ruler, we have the full-size Wonder Curve ruler, and it's my little bug in my ear that tells me Ruth's going to be using this one pretty soon to make a wedding ring quilt. So there you have it. And then the other thing I wanted to talk about was our little HandiQuilter machine. It's clear acrylic, so you can't really get a good view of it. But if you look on the right-hand side, we are adding today our 2023 plaque, which means we have been an HQA dealer for over 3 years. Now, HQA is a designation that HandiQuilter gives to their retailers who devote their time and staff and store resources to become the best in class in long arm education and training and maintenance. And so we've been awarded that prize. We're going on our 4th year. And I tell you this, one, because we're very proud of it and we love our HandiQuilter machines, but also to let you know that we have some long arm training coming up. So for those of you that have a HandiQuilter long arm, you likely also have the software Pro Stitcher Designer. Pro Stitcher Designer is software that is similar to embroidery software in that it allows you to bring in designs or even create your own designs for you to use on your long arm, on your computerized quilting Pro Stitcher tablet. So we have a class on the basics of Pro Stitcher Designer coming up on March 22nd, and that is going to be our first ever virtual class. So you'll get to sit in the comfort of your home and attend the class. I think the morning hours are 10 to 12, I think, or 9 to 12, 9:30 to 12, and then 1:30 to 4. There's a break in there for lunch and to let the dog out, and you can sit there in your pajamas and learn Pro Stitcher Designer. Some people are coming to the store, and Ruth will be taking that class as well from our classroom. So if you're more comfortable, or you think you'd be more motivated to come to the store, come join us. You'll need your laptop if you're going to join us here. And for those of you that don't have Pro Stitcher Designer, you can still take the class because you can download a copy of the demo Pro Stitcher Designer program from ProStitcher.com, and you'll be able to work right along with all of the other class attendees in making your own designs. This is great. If you have any, if you don't have any knowledge, this is a great basics class, and if you have a little bit of experience creating your own embroidery patterns, this will be right up your alley. So we love to learn how to make our own patterns, and so that class again is March 22nd. The other HandiQuilter education that we have scheduled this spring is our annual event in April. So every April we get together and do a multiple day event. This year our event will be 3 days. We're going to meet on the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th of April. That's the weekend before spring break here in Scott County. And we are going to learn all kinds of things, including the basics of long arm, the basics of the Pro Stitcher. If you're interested in computerized quilting, we're going to learn a lot about free motion on Friday the 5th, 2 different classes on that day. And so if you don't own a long arm, if you didn't get that Christmas gift that you wanted and you're seriously considering owning a long arm or just interested, because you may not be ready now, but you'll be ready in the future, you can learn to finish your own quilts on a long arm, and we will have a national educator here in town from HandiQuilter teaching us Leslie Main. So we're looking forward to those two events. Both of those events are listed on our website if you'd like additional information, and they are soon to be listed also on the HandiQuilter website. So tell your friends all about it. We've got some good HandiQuilter education events coming up, and thank you for joining us. Have a great day.